What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get macro with Razer Synapse. So let's get into it. So here I am on the web browser, and you should search up Razer Synapse download, and it should be Razer Synapse 3. Click on that and go download now. I already have it downloaded, but the download should pop up in the top corner or bottom corner. Once you've downloaded that, you go to the software, and it should look something like this. And my macro is over here, so press on macro. Okay, and press the plus. You can change it. I'm going to change it to test macro, just for the purpose of this video. Now you want to go insert and do keystroke, put 0.001, that will change, and do 0.001. And you put your edit bind and bind it to that. Mine is R. And then you want to do another insert and do mouse button this time. And then you change it to 0.001. And then this one as well, 0.001. And you should be your select button, and it should be left click, otherwise you're weird. And then you put your keybind and press the plus up here. And I like doing my Huntsman Mini instead of my mouse. Click on the keyboard and go press what bind you want. I'm going to do the border thing here and go to playback option. You should do play while the sign key is pressed and press save. So here is the macro, and it is all set up. Okay, so now I'm in game, and let me show you my normal edits real quick. Okay, so these are my normal edits, and these are the macros. Yeah, so those are macros, and again, I don't recommend using these in game, just use it to show off to your friends until they say you have them. And so yeah, that's how you get macros in Fortnite. Thanks for watching.